Frustrated by the Mscms Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. To start our troubleshooting for Mscms Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Mscms Library, the Microsoft Color Management System. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of color profiles across monitors and printers, facilitating the visual data link for imaging manifests. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Mscms is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Mscms library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Mscms Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Mscms Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Mscms Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.